In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Outlook Calendar in Google Calendar. We'll start in Outlook. Sign in to your Outlook account in a web browser, then look to the left sidebar and open Calendar. This switches you into the Calendar view, where you can manage sharing and publishing. Next, find the Shared Calendar section. Inside there, look for the option that lets you publish a calendar. You'll be choosing which Outlook calendar you want to make visible in Google Calendar. From the drop-down, select the specific calendar you want to use, then set the permission to Can View All Details. This choice ensures Google Calendar can display full event information, not just free/busy times. When you're ready, click Publish. Publishing creates special links for your calendar, including an ICS link. That ICS link is the key because Google Calendar can subscribe to it and stay updated. Quick note, if you're in a work or school account and don't see publish options, your administrator may have restricted it. After publishing, scroll to find the ICS link. Copy the ICS link to your clipboard. Now switch over to Google Calendar in your browser. On the left side, locate Other Calendars. Click to expand the options and choose from URL. In the field that appears, paste the ICS link you copied from Outlook. Then select Add Calendar. Google Calendar will connect to that link and create a subscribed calendar based on your Outlook events. Give it a moment to load. Larger calendars or slower connections can take a bit longer on the first sync, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. Once the subscription finishes, you'll see your Outlook calendar show up under Other Calendars, and your events should appear on the grid. From here, you can toggle the calendar on and off to check visibility, and you can assign it a color to make Outlook events stand out from your Google items. Keep in mind that an ICS subscription is read only in Google Calendar. That means you'll continue editing those events in Outlook, and any changes you make there will sync back to Google automatically on a periodic schedule. The first refresh can take a few minutes, and subsequent updates may not be immediate, so give it a little time before assuming something didn't sync. And that's it. You've published your Outlook calendar, copied the ICS link, added it to Google Calendar from a URL, and confirmed your events appear. Follow these steps anytime you want to display another Outlook calendar inside Google Calendar without duplicating your schedule.